How to boot from DVD on HP laptop to install Windows 7 or 10. My laptop HP Pavilion G6. Turn on the computer, immediately press F10 repeatedly to open the BIOS setup. Use the right arrow key to choose the system configuration, and then select boot options. Select CD-ROM Boot, then set CD-ROM Boot to enabled by pressing the F5 key or Enter key. Select boot order, and then choose internal CD/DVD-ROM drive. Then press the F5 key to modify the boot order, making internal CD/DVD-ROM drive in the first. Select Exit. And choose Exit Saving Changes, and then press Enter to select Yes. The computer setup utility closes and the computer restarts. Wait until a welcome screen will be displayed to install Windows 10. Press any key to boot from DVD. Note: if your PC doesn't boot from DVD when restart, press F9 to open the boot options menu when restart. Then select the internal CD/DVD-ROM drive, and then press Enter. Select preferred language and click Next. Click Install now. Accept the license terms. Choose the installation type. Specify where exactly you want to install Windows,